Alright, what is good, peeps? I'm gonna show you guys a really quick tutorial on how to import custom slides. So, okay, we're right here, we have a basic slide. We wanna change the theme, right? So what you wanna do is you click right here, like off to the side, and theme should pop up. So if I were to just, for example, they had a new slide right here, we're right here. You want to click off to the side, go to theme, and you can change it, right? You have all the basic themes, they're cool and all, but say you want to get a little creative and you guys want to get like cool theme, custom theme. So what you want to do is go to a website called Slides Carnival, right here, and you want to pick a theme. So if I remember right, in Elegant, there's one that I did like, slide right here. So I like this one, and I can choose this one because it says it's compatible with PowerPoint and Google Slides. So I go here, and I know PowerPoint works. You can download PowerPoint and it'll import correctly. I have not tried Google Slides. It might work, and for some reason, from what I've heard, it's not the best way to do it, but I'm just gonna go with PowerPoint because that works for me. So download PowerPoint, bam, downloaded. So now what we wanna do is go back here, go to theme, import theme, select from your device, and where is it? Right here, import. There we go, uploading theme. Let it do its thing. Okay, there it is, Mutius template, import theme. There we go. That's simple, guys. That's simple. So if you guys have any other tech tips you guys want to hear from me, whatever it is, and coding wise, programming wise, questions with like Google, let me know in the comments, and that's it. So peace.